accidental messages happen, but no worries, deleting for everyone is quick and easy. If you sent a message and need to remove it for everyone, follow these steps. First, open the WhatsApp on your device. Now, open the WhatsApp chat with the message you want to delete. Tap and hold the message you sent. A menu will pop up. Select delete, then choose delete for everyone. The message will be removed from the chat for both you and the recipient. A note will appear saying this message was deleted in place of your original message. You can only delete messages for everyone within 1 hour of sending them, so act fast. Ever needed to delete a message for everyone? Share your experience below in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.